Today we have a Toyota Yaris IA 2018. And we have a tire light. So the first thing we will do is check the tire pressures. I will be using this little device. It's called the Halo Bolt, and I will have a link to it in the description of the video. There is no sponsor on this video. I just really like this device. It allows you to pump up the tires and allows you to jump start your car in a pinch. Has a flashlight, has some USB ports. It's a pretty cool little device, and the battery lasts a long time. So first we want to check tires. Two front tires, 36 PSI. The rear tires, 33 PSI. So I'm going to start with my front tire here. I'm going to turn this little device on, and I'm going to set it to 36 PS. Oops, that's 37. 36 PSI. And once I have it connected to my tire, I'm going to go ahead and air up the tire. And it actually looks like they pumped 43 PSI into this thing. Let me let some air out. Okay, so we have 33. Let me push the air. Okay, so in our case, our tires were overinflated all the way around. So now we have 36 PSI in the front, 33 PSI in the rears, and there's a tire set button right here. I'm gonna hold this button in. 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, boom. So I held the button in for 3 seconds and the light extinguished. Okay. So we will drive the car. If the light comes back on, there is an issue. But the first step is to make sure the tire pressures are accurate and to reset the light. So that's a wrap with this video. One thing I did fail to mention in the trunk is the spare tire, and I did fill the spare tire up to 60 PSI before I reset the light. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to press that like button. If you like watching my other videos, hey, don't forget to subscribe. And if your light does come back on, you might want to recheck the pressures in your tires. You might have a slow leak in your tire. If that still does not resolve your issue, I would recommend taking it to a service shop or the dealership, just to make sure that one of your TPMS sensors is not going bad. Thanks for tuning in.